How to make $30,000 in 30 days in real estate, step by step. If I had to make $30,000 in the next 30 days in real estate, no brand, no pipeline, no excuses, this is exactly what I would do. I've been coaching agents since 2014 and built an organization of over 1,500 agents, and my team sold over 321 homes last year. But let me be clear, this isn't theory. This is what actually works when you need results fast. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2 actions that can get you 2 to 3 deals in the next 30 days, the exact math behind hitting $30,000, and how to execute this even if you feel stuck right now. Before we get into strategy, we need to talk about your mindset. Because here's the truth, the tactics I'm about to give you, they're not complicated, but most agents still won't execute them. And it starts here, right between your ears. You have to decide right now that you are unstoppable. Not when the market's perfect, not when you have more leads, and not when the conditions are right. Now, because what you focus on expands, you become what you think about most of the time. If you're focused on what's not working, what you don't have, what's going wrong, that's exactly what you'll be getting more of. But if you lock in on the goal, $30,000 in 30 days, and you protect that vision every single morning, your brain starts working for you instead of against you. So before anything else, work on your mindset first, every single day. Visualize the outcome, say it out loud, write it down, protect your energy like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. The agents who win aren't always the most talented. They're the most locked in. Now, let's get to work. Step 1, understanding the target. Don't skip this. Let's simplify it. If your average commission is $10,000, you need 3 transactions in order to make $30,000. Now, the real question becomes, how do we get 3 deals in 30 days? Step 2, the mindset shift that changes everything. Here's what most agents get wrong. They think they have a lead problem. They don't. They have a follow-up problem. They have a conversion problem. You are sitting on gold right now and you don't even know it. The leads are already there. The conversations are already there. The money is already there. You just stop digging. So stop chasing new leads and start going deeper on the ones that you already have. Step 3, focus on only the right activities. Most agents lose because they do too much random stuff. If I had 30 days, I cut everything that doesn't produce now business and go all in on what actually does. Here's exactly what that looks like. Action number 1, work on your warm market plus your hottest leads. The speed comes from here, always. Your warmest leads are the people who are most likely to do something today, and you've been ignoring them because you've been chasing new shiny leads and new shiny objects. Stop, go back to your database and ask yourself, who is the most ready to move right now? Call them, text them, show up. The script is simple. Hey, quick question. If you were to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, what would that look like? Now, you're not pitching, you're just starting conversations. And when they respond, dig deeper. Ask about their motivation, ask about their timeline, ask enough questions to understand what their real goal is. Because here's what most agents miss. If you're not uncovering motivation and time frame, you don't actually know what you have. And here's the hard truth. If they're not motivated, if there's no urgency, put them on the back burner and on the nurture sequence and move on. You don't have time to convince somebody who is not ready. You need today business, now business. Nurturing for the future is great, but right now you need 3 deals in 30 days. Stay focused. Action 2, call around your listings. Just listed and just sold calls. This is one of the most underused strategies in real estate. Pick up the phone and call all around your listings or any listings in your market. Just listed and just sold calls work because you have a real reason to call. You have information that they want, and those calls surface people who are watching the market, thinking about moving, or already ready. These are warm conversations waiting to happen. Action 3, expired listings and for sale by owners. These are people who already want to sell, they just haven't found the right agent yet. Go after the expireds, go after the FSBOs. They're not hard to find. They're just uncomfortable to call. And that discomfort is exactly why most agents leave them on the table, which means less competition for you. Action 4, open houses, even for other agents. Don't have any listings? Doesn't matter. Call the agents in your office with active listings and offer to sit at their open houses for them. Most agents don't want to do them. You do. Run 2 to 4 open houses per week because open house buyers are already in motion. They're not thinking about buying. They're already doing it. Book appointments on the spot. Follow up on the same day because those people are ready now. Action 5, referrals. This one is free and fast. Call your past clients, your sphere, and your friends and family. Hey, I'm looking for a few people this month to help. Do you know anybody that's thinking about buying or selling that I can help? I'm wondering, who might you know right now that's thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate that I may be able to help at this time? That's it. One script. Step 4, the math. This is where most fail. Let's break it down. One deal equals approximately 200 conversations for a newer agent. 3 deals equals 600 conversations. And 30 days, 20 conversations per day. That's it. It's not complicated. It's just really uncomfortable. And guys, we get paid for having uncomfortable conversations here in real estate sales. The more you get rejected, the more you're going to get paid. This is a rejection business. Step 5, qualify fast and cut what doesn't qualify. This is the part nobody talks about. When you only have 30 days, you cannot afford to spend your time on people who aren't ready to move. So when you're having those 20 conversations a day, you need to be qualifying them hard and fast. Now, we need to ask, what's your motivation? What's your timeline? What happens if you don't move? If the answers aren't urgent, if there's no real reason pushing them to act, they go into the nurture basket. You follow up later. And you keep moving because your time is precious right now. Not every lead deserves your energy today. The ones that do, go all in. The ones that don't, stay in touch and move on. Step 6, the real problem. Most agents won't do this, not because it doesn't work, but because they don't want to follow up. They're scared of rejection. They keep chasing new leads instead of converting the ones they already have. They get distracted by shiny objects, so they stay broke. While the agents who execute this, they win. Step 7, bonus, leverage and acceleration. If I wanted to move even faster, partner with agents who already have listings, host their open houses, offer value just to get in front of clients. Speed comes from proximity to opportunity. Let me make this crystal clear. You don't need more leads. You need more follow-up, better conversion, deeper qualifying conversations, and ruthless execution on the leads you already have. Because $30,000 in 30 days, it's not magic, it's not luck, it's not about having the biggest database or the best brand. It's math plus action plus an unstoppable mindset. Lock in, go to work, have 20 conversations today. And by the way, this is exactly what we teach inside our community. The scripts, the systems, the accountability. If you're in Vancouver, the Align Group. If you're anywhere else, the Align International Organization will show you exactly how to actually execute this. Now, subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and go have 20 conversations today. If you find this video helpful, useful, and valuable, go ahead, share it with an agent that might also benefit from this. And if you're ready to have a conversation about partnering with us here at eXp Realty, go ahead and book a call in the link below, and we'll look forward to talking with you. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Let's go, let's grow, let's build.